Hi, my name's Nick. I work here in customer service at PrintPapa. I want to show you a little video here on our new product, which is the A-frame. This is a great sidewalk sign for your restaurant or retail business. People have used them for directional signs as well as for real estate. The nice thing about this is it's a one package deal. You get the A-frame, two posters, one for the front and one for the back, and you can do a different graphic on both front and back. The measurement of each poster is 24 by 36, and you can actually purchase those alone at any time. If you feel you need to change out any of the information, you can buy just the poster itself. Another nice thing about these is you can weigh them down. If they're going to be put outdoors for a long term, you can weigh them down by putting sand. There's a porthole at the top here where you can put sand in. That's going to bring the weight to 28.5 pounds. Without the sand, it is 18.5 pounds. These posters are printed on a 3mm gloss adhesive material, which is very easy to adhere. Should you need to replace the graphics at any time, it is very easy to do. It is a water-resistant material, which makes it suitable to display outdoors.